How do you make a bespoke Rolls-Royce Cullinan even more special? Bring it to iXexotics. We've got a really special project that just got to the shop today. This is a brand new Rolls-Royce Cullinan. It came to us and is actually a special surprise for somebody. But before they get to see it, we're actually going to do a full customization job, really transform the way this vehicle looks and make it a truly one-of-one Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So let's get into it. We're gonna start that process by doing a full disassembly on the vehicle, meaning we're gonna remove all the trim, both the front and rear bumper, door handles, window trim, molding, all that kind of stuff, to make sure that one, we're gonna be needing that off so that we can properly paint it, and two, it's now out of the way for our high-end PPF installation, meaning that we're gonna remove any kind of seams and unnecessary cutouts from the film to give it a really top-notch installation. Now that we've got the vehicle fully disassembled, we've actually got this Cullinan here in the paint booth. Now we're gonna do all the masking of all the items that aren't gonna be coming off the vehicle in order to get painted. Some of the side trim, it's just real risky to take that stuff off, so we're gonna actually paint that on the vehicle, as well as the brake calipers. Those are going a different color altogether, so those are getting masked up and will be painted as well. So now we're gonna make sure that it's all fully protected, make sure there's no overspray anywhere except for on the items that we do want to paint themselves. Now we've just about completed all of the color match process. So we've taken all the chrome parts as well as all the black pieces that were accent pieces that were around the vehicle and color matched them to the matte white that we're actually doing with the Stealth PPF. And next we're actually doing something a little unique that's going to kind of add a little pop of color, but in a kind of unique hidden place. So we're excited to show you that one. They're getting ready to throw color on those in the booth right now. So now we're putting on the last few pieces of our XPEL Stealth paint protection film. This film is not only going to protect the OEM paint underneath, but it's going to take it from that OEM gloss to this Stealth matte look that you see behind me. So it's going to give it great protection for a long time and some great customization at the same time. I know you've been watching this video the whole time to see what it looks like at the very end. Well, here it is. So as you can see, the whole thing came together really, really nicely. We did our XPEL Stealth over all the gloss white on the vehicle. We also then paint matched all of the non-white, all the things that were either gloss black trim or chrome trim. We actually painted those to be matte white to match the XPEL Stealth. Some of the items that we painted on this vehicle are going to be the gloss black accents, as well as all the chrome trim, which if you know anything about Rolls-Royce, it is a lot. We painted all the gloss black, which is on the rocker panels here on the very bottom, also the bottom corners of the front bumpers and the full rear bumper. Here's where we actually wanted to add a little bit of something creative, a little something special. We wanted to kind of bring the really cool interior, which is a combination of Charles blue and blushing pink. Wanted to bring that a little bit to the outside as well, and so we chose to do that in the grille itself. We wanted to make sure that we incorporate the color scheme into this as well. So we actually modified it and made it actually glow pink, like the rest of the pink options we have on the outside of the vehicle. So that's going to do it for this particular project. And remember, if you're looking for protection or customization, come see us at iXexotics.